Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can basically see hidden replies on X. Now, sometimes you are sometimes you won't be able to see it because sometimes hidden replies are like posts from private accounts, so that's why you can see it. But for instance, if the person who tweets it hides it, you'll be able to see it, I think. But select the tweet and select the three dots here and more. Then you're just going to select view hidden replies and it should be there if there is a hidden reply. This post doesn't have any, but it will show up. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.